This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Kevin Dyke. Back on market. Buyers got cold feet. Roof allowance will be given with a reasonable offer. Newly renovated home in the heart of Fountain City. All new flooring, fixtures, paint, and countertops throughout. Fully fenced yard. Detached garage, workshop with electric ran to it. Very peaceful screened porch on the back of the house. Oversized master suite, technically could be a 3-bedroom house. Extra room would make a great home office, nursery, or bonus room. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin Dyke at 865-687-1111.